Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today we are going to do this hairstyle, which is I call it a double top knot. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, let's jump in. So the tools you'll need, I'm going to show you a single top knot, which you have seen in a lot of videos because I don't like my hair in my face during the summer. So I'll show you a single top knot and then I'll show you how I did the double top knot. The only thing you're gonna need is a hairbrush. I use a wet brush because I have very thick hair and it works like a dream. Bobby pins and some hair ties, whatever color. So super simple. Guys, so this is typically what my hair looks like in the morning. I usually have it up in a ponytail or pulled back, but I love this cute style. So I'm gonna do really super fast a top knot, which I wear almost all the time when I'm doing videos. So what I do is take the very top, and I don't necessarily go, oh my god, the line has to be perfect. No, I'm not out about perfect. I'm about fast and cute. And all you do is take this much of your hair, and then you're going to need a rubber band, and I just have a black one here, and the idea is that you're going to go ahead and wrap it through the rubber band until you come to the last time that you would wrap it, and that would obviously give you a ponytail. We don't want that, so we're just going to pull it through. Like so. And then there's a couple ways of going about this. So I pull it to where the majority, you see it has a little tail here. Take this little tail and wrap it around, right? Kind of looks like mini ears. You'll need bobby pins. This is awesome. There's like 1,000 in here. Very inexpensive off of Amazon. And then I'm just gonna use a little bobby pin, and then we have these little these little ears, if you will, and so I am just going to make a little bun. So all I'm doing is pulling down these sides and pushing them in. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to do the same with this side. It. And then now this is where it depends on how you want it. So I'm going to show you the back. You can see that it's up here, so we want to kind of pull this the back part down, and so I'm just going to take that little back part and pull it down and forward, and then I'm just going to kind of shape it. And then we have this here. How much of a little bump do you want? And see how cute this is? I've done nothing to my hair. Haven't had a chance to curl it or anything. I just brushed it. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit. And again, this depends on, you know, your preference, but it's super easy. It makes a super cute top knot and really, really super easy. Now, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite hairstyles for summer. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the double top knot. We're gonna go ahead and do a hairstyle that I think is really super cute for summer, and again, really easy. The only thing you need are rubber bands, bobby pins, and a brush. So I'm going to go straight down the center best I can. Again, I don't find this as another hairstyle that I don't think needs to be perfect. So I'm going to separate my hair all the way to the back as well. Back in, y'all. Okay. So Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on one side at a time. We're gonna pull it all the way up. I've got a lot of hair. Okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna give it a little twist. And then I'm gonna use my rubber band. And we are gonna make 2 little ponytails. And do the other side. This is why having a wet brush comes in handy, y'all. We want to match them up. I'm gonna give a little twist. Now. Okay, a little twist. And then rubber band. Okay, so they're evenly placed, and now what we're gonna do is we are going to give a little pull, and then we're gonna make our little top knots. I feel like a little child. So I'm gonna pull, I'm just gonna wrap it around the little rubber band. And this is so easy. And then I'm gonna do the other side. I used to wear my hair like this all the time when I worked out at the gym. Now we're gonna take and we're gonna just kind of pull it, because we don't want it like horns. We kind of want little rosettes, right? Little flowers. So we're just gonna pull it open, and then what you want to do is pull the front. So I'm going to take from the center and I'm going to pull down. I've got a lot of hair, so you may not have to do this. And then we just kind of make them, I don't want them perfect. This is like a little cute summer style. It's not meant to be perfect, but we're kind of bringing them in a little bit, and I think it's so cute. Now, we're gonna take our little fingers and we're gonna pull some of the hair out around the face. See all those little baby hairs? You're gonna pull them out. Soften the look a little bit. All right, guys, so that is it. You just kind of do a little, you know, getting the little baby hairs down so it's nice and soft. Pull what you want here. Make it as messy as you want, and then let me show you the back. Then see how adorable. There we go. So I think it's kind of a fun hairstyle. It's not going to be for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.